Hi there, these comments are for MN and I am Michael from BetterTOEFLScores.com. Free, high quality TOEFL lessons, no joke. And you're doing what's called a free writing practice test. You want me to give you an estimate score from 0 to 30, and that's what I'm going to do right now. So I read the essay, I'm looking at the rubrics. If not for the grammar and word choice errors, I would have given you a 5 out of 5, 30 points out of 30. However, there are what I call some inconsistent facility in sentence formation and word choice that may result in lack of clarity, maybe, and occasionally obscure meaning. So I'm going to put you at 3.75 out of 5, 24 points out of 30. Now, I'm not going to correct the whole essay. It would probably take at least an hour to correct and produce a video and to do that, but I can at least do a paragraph because you want to have an idea of what some of your problems are, right? So let's look at the beginning of the first paragraph. So do you agree or disagree with the following statement? Playing computer games is a waste of time. Children should not be allowed to play them. Use specific reasons and examples to support your answer. Okay? Now, let's do one more thing here. I have a feeling that your grade level is going to be pretty high. I think it's around 12, maybe even 13. Let's take a look and see what your grade level is based on your sentence style and your word choice. So imagine that ETS has the E-Rater, the artificial intelligence scoring engine to assess your writing. They're going to look at your sentence length and those kinds of things. Good gracious, Flesh Kincaid grade level is 14? Wow. So the average words per sentence is 28. So you definitely have what we call academic writing, right? So anything between 20 and 30 words for an average sentence length is definitely, that's a good writing style for this type of writing. Okay, here we go. Time is a crucial thing that we carefully should pay attention. We should pay attention to. Time is a crucial thing that we carefully should pay attention to how we exploit. You don't need past tense here. How we exploit and invest in it, since it constitutes our futures. Moreover, we should also learn our love with children how. No, this is the word choice thing. Teach. The parents are teaching the children. The children learn from the parents. That's the word choice. We should also teach our love with children how to use their time wisely so they can gain many benefits from spending it on useful things. How about spending it on useful things that further formulate their characters and future careers? Many think that children should not be allowed to play video games since this is considered a waste of their time that may be harnessed and utilized in much more beneficial things like studying. From my point of view, notice how you say I totally against. I totally am against. Maybe put that view, since playing computer games can boost the children's creativity and facilitate their uses of advanced electronic technology, and you have a thesis. So that's what I'm talking about. If I go through every paragraph, there are a lot of word choice and sometimes some sentence things I have to straighten out to make it work better grammatically. So I don't think you're probably between 22 and 24 right now because of those word choice and grammar errors. All right, so that's my assessment there. And based on what I'm reading right here, you're a good candidate for my TOEFL Writing Bootcamp course. If you want to invest a little bit of money, I definitely can help get you Like right now, you're probably around 24 points. I think I can get you to 29 or even 30 because of your grade level is already so high. You just need a few error correction, uh, I think, assistance, and that's going to get you where you're writing at a much higher level of polish. So if you want to learn more about my TOEFL Writing Bootcamp course, go over to onlinetoeflcourse.com. Just scroll down to the bottom of that page and you'll find information about that course. And thank you for doing this writing practice test.